In this video, we break down the best metal detectors on the market this year. Today, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 metal detectors on Amazon this year. And the links to all the metal detectors mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If this is your first time here, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 1. Hunter TK4 Tracker IV. While there are plenty of inexpensive metal detectors, the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker IV is the ideal choice for the budget-minded person. This rugged metal detector offers terrific treasure detection even in extreme conditions, and it's the #1 bestseller on Amazon, capable of detecting coin-sized targets up to 8 inches deep and larger target object up to 2 feet deep. The TK4 can detect gold, silver, brass, aluminum, iron, and steel. The non-digital display helps keep the cost down, while the easy-to-use knob interface helps you fidget with depth detection, power, and sensitivity controls. Additionally, the inclusion of a discrimination mode can help focus the search on one specific type of detection, but you can easily switch it to the all-metal detection option to widen your scope. Finally, the 8-inch search coil is submersible in shallow water. The adjustable stem allows for better positioning based on the height of the user, and the padded armrest makes for comfortable searches. Number 2. Fisher F22. If it's tough conditions that hold your treasure, the Fisher F22 professional-grade weatherproof metal detector is a fantastic choice. Weighing 4.25 pounds and measuring 5 by 8 by 22 inches, the Fisher F22 offers a great search option for jewelry, coins, and other lost artifacts. Featuring 2 AA batteries for hours of searching, the F22 can detect objects up to 9 inches deep beneath the surface. The F22 will also offer a readout of how far below the surface the detected object is, so the user has a better idea of how deep they need to dig. The waterproof search coils make the F22 ideal for beach or rainy conditions. The 9-segment visual and numerical target ID helps identify what is beneath the surface before you even grab the shovel. Additionally, the 4-mode search ability highlights if an object is an unknown artifact, jewelry, coin, or custom object. Unfortunately, its water resistant doesn't make the F22 completely waterproof, which means you can't completely submerge it in water. But that's an easy trade-off for a metal detector with a feature set that's generally only found in options far pricier. Number 3. The Garrett Ace Pro. Looking to step your treasure hunting up a notch? Good news! Not every buried treasure is on solid ground. So take a look at the Garrett Ace Pro metal detector, which offers complete submersion underwater for finding lost treasure that went down with ships of centuries past. Capable of full functionality in up to 10 feet of water, the Garrett works best right offshore, but still allows for searching over reefs and other shallow areas where it's easy to drop jewelry and other precious metal objects. weighing a reasonable 3.03 pounds and measuring at 22 by 11 by 5 inches. The telescoping range of its body works from 42 to 51 inches in length, fully extended. The real standout is the AT Pro display and its digital target ID that goes from 0 to 99. When the number gets progressively higher as the AT Pro determines if an object is worth digging up and maintains a lower number count when it recommends you pass on the object. Number 4. Fisher F75. Ergonomically designed to be used for hours on end, the Fisher F75 offers amateur and professional treasure hunters their best shot at finding fortunes on the beach. Powered by 2 AA batteries, the F75 can withstand up to 40 hours of use. A rain cover and waterproof search coils also keep the device safe from ocean mist and errant waves. The F75 includes a unique double filter discrimination mode, which is well suited to searching trash-heavy areas, like the beach, as it attempts to distinguish between junk and items of value. Given its sensitivity in searches, the F75 is best for experienced metal detector users who can quickly distinguish false positives from treasures. For non-beginners, the deep set of options and settings make the F75 a standout selection for treasure hunting, and at just around 4 pounds, it's easy to hold for hours on end without feeling tired or cramping. Despite its complexity, the F75 sets a very high bar in performance for beach hunting. Number 5. Garrett Ace 300. Weighing 5.4 pounds and measuring 6 by 11 by 22 inches, the Garrett Ace 300 metal detector is another outstanding choice for small-time treasure hunters and casual hobbyists. Ideal for advanced users through its excellent detection of coins and jewelry, the Garrett offers around 12 inches of depth detection for small items. Controlled via 3 separate touchpads, power, pinpoint, and accept reject, and 3 separate rocker switches, mode, sensitivity, and discrimination. The Ace 300 offers a slew of opportunities to set your metal detector to find exactly what you are looking for. The 5 total discriminant modes are easy to select and can help you search for all general metal items, or specifically search for jewelry, relics, coins, or custom metal objects. Additionally, the Ace 300 offers an easy methodology for determining if you should dig for an object. It even has a tone decibel that includes a sound of money ring to decisively tell you if the selected object is worth bringing out the shovel for. Beyond detection, the Ace 300 is powered by a set of 4 AA batteries, providing anywhere between 20 to 40 hours of use. You can also join our giveaway and stand a chance to win gadgets like headsets, projectors, and other cool gadgets from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comment below adding the hashtag tech. The winners will be announced on the first of every month in our community feed on YouTube, and we'll also contact winners directly through the comment they left. Thanks for watching.